What's good, y'all? It's your boy, Michael. So, interesting day today. A lot happened, alright? I'm gonna briefly explain this. I'm gonna show y'all, look, y'all not believing me when I say go back, study, take this time, right? Get that unwavering mindset, that nothing can kill it. You see what I'm saying? So I'm going to explain this. I'm going to explain this as simple as possible. As you can see, I have my charts marked out. A lot happened today. So I ended up logging on. As you can see, I am on my live account. Okay. I ended up logging on at around 12 my time. And there was just like a lot, so I'm going to show you what I marked out. So remember, I'm trading London session. As you can see, this is still going down. It's going to reach the sell side liquidity to eventually, let's see here, this sell side liquidity here. And it's more than likely going to come to this order block over here, right here, around this area, or this bottom area here. Okay, it's going to come to this order block and it's going to reject. But to get back to the point, okay, as y'all can see, so I have my entries. Okay, this is micros. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do. Okay, this is just me. All right, I am trading micros. I did trade in London sessions from 0-200 to 0-500. Now, you're probably asking, Michael, what do you do? What do you do within that time? Let me help you out. So what you end up doing is you find the highest point from 0-200, right here, to 0-500, right? And you also find the lowest point, which is the sell side liquidity, okay? What's above buy side liquidity? Buy stops, right? What's below sell side liquidity? Sell stops, okay? As I was talking about earlier, that order block that's under here, it's going to come to that level, reject it, and come back up. All right, so you found your highest point, you found your buy side, you found your sell side. All right, Michael, I found everything. What now? Okay, now that you found it, or you found it after 0-500, the move might not happen right away, which it didn't happen for me, okay? So I found this order block. This is what you would call a bearish order block, okay? A bearish order block. It's the first up close candle before the down move. Vice versa for a bullish order block. A bullish order block is the first down close candle before the up move, okay? Just so y'all know. And what is sitting in these order blocks? Orders, okay? Sell orders for a bearish order block. Bullish order block is vice versa. Buy orders, okay? So as you can see, price was just moving up and down the whole time, okay? Keep in mind, I had to bear all this, okay? I had to. You see this right here? We're going to talk about that. Okay? So, before when I started, my stop was originally there at that black line, okay? That's where my stop was. Now, I'm like, okay, it hit the bearish order block. It's going to come to that level, it's going to reject, and which it did, okay? It wasn't perfect, okay? It was not perfect. It did reject here, okay? Now, I'm sitting here, it's going up and down, up and down, up and down. I'm like, okay, so I do see the imbalances in the market, right? I do see the fair value gaps, which are located here, right? And which, as you can see, they're rejected from, right? These two fair value gaps on the 5 minute, okay? Look, right here. See the space? Nothing to fill it. Nothing to fill it, all right? That is an imbalance, okay? The market came back down and it filled it. Now, the market came all the way back up, right? It came up, came down again, right? At this point, I was already up 155 ticks, okay? Off of 7 minis. I was up 155 ticks, okay? I had to bear all of this, okay? As you can see, it formed another fair value gap right here, very small. Came back into it, it hit it, and it broke my bearish order block, okay? It went above it. Now, once this happened, once we got about here, I was already negative about 80 ticks. I was down 80 ticks. And keep in mind, there's a trailing drawdown, okay? A lot going on, okay? So what I ended up doing was I moved my stop up here. And then I seen it kept going. So what did I do? Don't ever do this. Never. Don't ever do this. I removed my stop. My stop was completely gone. Stop isn't there no more. I removed it. I was like, if I'm going to take a risk, I'm going to take it now. You know, with trailing drawdown, you go, let's say you have a $1,000 account, right? You go up, let's say you make 500, right? But you don't get out and it comes all the way back down and then you're negative 200. Now you're technically down 700, right? That's how trailing drawdown works in simple terms, okay? So I'm already down about 1,200 here, right? 1,000 to 1,200 in trailing drawdown, right? But in retrospect, right, like how much I'm actually down, I'm not actually down 1,500. That's just trailing drawdown, or 1,000 to 1,200, okay? So I bared all of it. As you can see, right, ICT explains this, right? Time, then price. I'm gonna say it again. Time, then price, okay? So it comes up, as you can see, right at 9:30. What happens? It drops. Insane, isn't it? Insane. Because what happens at 9:30? Equities open. The market opens, okay? Bam. Whole bunch of volatility. So I'm holding it. I'm holding it. I'm holding it. I held it. As you can see, I also marked my levels. So from the sell side liquidity to the buy side liquidity, I marked it with a fib. The middle is the equilibrium. But as you can see, it's different. It's not all the way down here. So what I did was I marked my entry to my exit with a fib. This would be my equilibrium. Anything below this is a discount. Anything above is a premium, right? So I'm waiting. It got here. I sold partials. As you can see, it says I brought 4 because I started with 7 micros, or 7 micros. I sold up here because I thought it was gonna go down. It went down. Sold partials. Once we came to that equilibrium, right, and we started to go into a discount, is when I sold my partials. I sold 4 of them. And I left 3 runners. My potential exit is there in place because I didn't think the market was gonna go to the place that it went. Okay, that's why my potential exit is there. And what did I do? I did exit at my potential exit. Okay. The thing about this market, guys, it's not about the money. Okay. This is a skill that once you hone in and you understand it, the money comes with it. Okay. This is something that I'm passionate about. Okay. This is something that I will continue to do, and I will continue to better myself. I will continue to build my unwavering mindset, my determination. I will continue to build that mindset, and nothing will stop me. Nothing, I repeat, nothing will stop me. Okay? Pretty soon, at this point, I'm calling myself the market mortician. You know why? What do morticians do? They scalp. And what do I do in the market? I scalp, right? And I don't have to prove myself. You can see it here, okay? That's all I wanted to say for today. Hope y'all have a great rest of your day, night, evening, whatever it is for you, whatever time zone it is. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.